Hey everybody, Brandon, United Commercial Insurance. Why are auto haulers paying so much money for insurance these days? That's a big question. There's a lot of reasons, and not all of them I'm going to cover in this video today, but I did want to talk about one interesting point to consider when you're doing auto hauling from an insurance perspective. So let's go. All right, so you're an auto hauler. Auto haulers are incredible companies. The people that we have that run auto hauling businesses are just great. I love the guys and gals that are out there running those large rigs with, 7, 8, 9, however many vehicles on the back. You see them and it's so impressive what you see on the freeway. Cars during the pandemic were in such high demand, people couldn't get their hands on them fast enough. So taking them from the manufacturer to the dealer, such an important service. Taking used vehicles, auction vehicles, wherever they need to go, super important service. Now, insurance rates are going up all over the country. If you're just starting out, if you've been around for a while, you've seen that depending on your state, depending on the location, where you're driving, how much the value of your truck is, you've seen your insurance go up pretty much year after year. But specifically, auto haulers are getting hit hard, and there's a number of reasons. The thing that I want to discuss today is regarding claims on a new vehicle, taking it to the dealer, and how that can get really messy for insurance companies and why they're very sensitive to that. So I'm going to set up a scenario. You're bringing a car from the manufacturer to the dealer, and let's say you have 7 or 8 on the back of your trailer, and you're taking them however many miles across however many states you want to talk about. Well, let's say one of those vehicles retails for $50,000. Let's say it's a typical SUV, $50,000 of the retail value. And let's say during transport, there's a scratch either by a rock or there's a scratch on a panel from transport that occurs before it gets to the dealer. So what some dealers have been doing is this: when you unload the vehicle and they see the scratch, they're gonna say, hey, not only are we gonna submit a claim to cover the damage for the scratch, but they say the new value is $30,000. For whatever reason, they're gonna set a new value, less than the retail value. And they're gonna say, pay us for the cost to fix that panel if it's a scratch, and then pay us the $20,000 in lost value that occurred because of that scratch. Now you can see why that's a problem for insurance companies. That's just not something they're interested in doing. And it can get out of hand pretty quick, especially if the value of those vehicles, like most cars, are increasing substantially in a short amount of time. And even Ford, Chevy, some of these trucks are going from $60, $70, $90, $110,000. And if they take the value and essentially arbitrarily set a reduced value and submit the claim for the difference, that's just going to be an incredibly difficult thing for insurance companies to cover. And so more and more are hesitant to get into the dealer delivery for that reason. There's others as well, like I said, there's other reasons why prices are going up, but that's been a thing that has occurred in the auto hauler space for the last few years. I'm interested to hear what you think. If you've gone through that, let me know. Drop it in the comments below, hit the like. Hope you're having a great day. Drive safe. Brandon, United Commercial Insurance.